the VP has pinpointed only two individuals as behind this, the Speaker and Zaldico, who chaired the Appropriations Committee. Ano po ang sa tingin ninyo? Because you mentioned earlier, you had the support of the Speaker and the Senate President in, dealing with the congressmen and the senators and telling them, no, walang project, sorry.
Let's face it, Pauline, hindi naman pwedeng mangyari ang insertions na yan kung hindi pumayag ang leadership of both houses and the Senate.
So how can they conduct an honest-to-goodness investigation that you're saying, looking back, when the leadership is the one that, fingers are pointing to them?
Kaya nga ang appeal ko, and which is the same appeal of the President, time out muna, mahiya naman tayo. Time out muna. No? Let's look at these projects, and if it is not the right project, can we put it in the right project? Can we bid it out properly? Hinto na muna.
Okay.
Ang dami nyo ng kotse eh.